Hello! Today I will show you how to replace batteries in SP-401 lamp. For this we need screwdriver with hex bit M4, SP-401 lamp and two batteries. First of all, you need to unscrew antenna and unscrew all 8 screws around the lamp and all 8 nuts around the lamp. Just do not to lose nuts. I recommend you to hold nut by 2 fingers, so it will be more comfortable and easy to service. Okay, so now we have unscrewed top side of the lamp and we can start disconnect the cables. I recommend you to disconnect in the next sequence, blue, blue, red, red, but you can do as you like, but just not mix them. Okay. So as you can see, it's very easy, it's no issue. Now we have separate top side of the lamp. You can put it here, we don't need it for now. Now we have our batteries which we can replace by using the same screwdriver. We need to unscrew 4 screws here on the opposite side. Very important, when you want to take out battery holder, just keep in mind, do not touch this metallic side on pins to avoid any short circuit and for your safety. Okay, so now we can replace battery and put new one. The same way, carefully, do not touch any pin. We are putting back our holders. Okay. In the same sequence we can connect back all cables. We will start from our red one. Yeah. And we are connecting back red cable to the red pin and blue cable to the black pin. Do not mix them, because in opposite way you can damage PCB, and this is also for your safety. And I recommend you, during screwing back the lamp, to hold by 1 finger 1 nut and screw until you will feel smooth resistance, because in opposite way, when you will tight too strong, you can damage thread on the screw. And the last part of our service, we're putting back antenna and screw. Lamp is working, battery replaced. Thank you for your attention.